jotonon TSF ning coba ni cibai te hamjang maya faru ang neron TSF ni general secretary hamalu jongmi afro strike da kokha indefinite strike in demands of Kokborok language script the rescheduling of 10 and 12 board exam of CBSE borok no Roman script by the question paper set khaye rorogan bagam chini movement not only that have a permanent solution chini Kokborok script ni bagay chini mo coba another update fight tong kamamo jaga wasang road blockage railways sang khaine tong balai hambai nya happen baksa jaga sang sigi maka jeng sakbai sak no kok banglai mani jeng apple khainai jeng kha baksa kha thansa kana jeng movement ma khainai jeng sakbai sak na kok bang jeng ha movement success sangla tabo gang koi nai jeng ambulance rong ka jeng ma lai ro nai ama emergency ama jeng ma busi lai nai tabok sini kabang ma leaders sini kabang ma students rok circuit house borok movement khai to kabang ma jaga wani ni long tribal di nini sabrum barmura nini yang hezamara digiro joto jaga na ompi amarpur ayang digiro nini yang gondasora russia bari ang joto ran apple khai nai jung movement kara khrongoi ma tong nai government of Tripura directly ano hai kachini president na contact khaya sa nirok withdraw ta khai di jong nirok no sahor nai amani poresi nirok withdraw khai di kebo phano phai withdraw khai nai hokang kachini movement success anglak jong indefinite call khai ja tabo ang public na appeal khai nai je nogo tong tonai rok phano nirok nokhor di nirok sala nokhor ka horofa nokhor di chini movement jong carry on ma khai nai kabang ma achogoi movement phai sing asonai tong chamung nung mung kerei ungui phanuman ang jotono no as a son of the soil ang nirono appeal khainai jung jotono kha kuar ke yak baksa ke sung pal baksa ke sung sangma khainai ang koinai jotono no jani ja nearest movement ang tomo jaga thangai tumanang jung chubagai ma kangke belai chanai sini students of sini tahanai sini public rock movement khaito ang jotono appeal khainai jung ma buchinai jeng government of Tripura appeal khainai assembly session cholei dong jeng sigi maka thanglani chini tribal affairs minister chini sir mebar jamatia botong pro cabinet je o script issue no tei place ka hanai jeng immediately sanai o je chini script issue kok borok ni language no tei am immediately pass nga ningthung jeng ma buchinai cabinet pass kan kana jeng state of Roman script by Suimano. Jong ma busi nai. Public nang amun appeal khainai. Government of Tripura jong ma directly touch ingya sak jong no permanent solution raya sak. Jong withdraw khaiklak. Borok jong no kalai saka wan sogo. Ang public na appeal khainai. Jong tini sarasan bai jong movement khai kyang ke movement success ung phiklak. Jong tei bus movement khaisnai 50 years chini movement